Okay, go ahead, Peyton.
We step on the word of Christ. What tells
Four.
all the words of Christ. Tell you all things, but you should do. Second Nephi 2:3.
Good job. Okay, Lincoln, your turn.
Feast upon the words of Christ, for behold, the words of Christ will tell you all things that you shall do.
What's the scripture?
Oh, yeah. I forgot. Second Nephi 32:3.
Good job, fellas. Thumbs up. Can you give me a thumbs up? Yeah, no. There's our January scripture. Good job, guys.
Can I say how about you, baby? Can you say it?
Bonk. Bonk. You want to say it again, Peyton? No? I thought you said you wanted to say it. Hi. You having some breakfast? Breakfast at the Smith house.
We
Bonk.
just did it again.
What are you doing?
We're doing this.
Grinning. Peyton, are you a primary? You are? You like it?
Yeah.
Who's your primary teacher?
Cynthia.
Not Cynthia. Is it Miss Megan? Miss Megan Stevens? Yeah. Who's your primary teacher?
Miss Laura.
Miss Laura, do you like her?
Uh-huh.
She's so nice, huh? Miss Laura Rudd.
Yeah.
Where's your cereal? Whoa. Oh, you want some attention? Oh, can you say more? Show her how to say more, Luke. More. Can you say more?